Hi everyone, it's Alex from Risk Academy, and this is yet another video on the topic of how to save time with Risk Management 1 activities. So what else takes up your time when you do risk management? And one of the most common things that I come across is that risk managers spend quite a lot of time developing, designing, and then documenting and then validating with the business and getting feedback and working through the risk management framework, and specifically the risk assessment methodology, the risk criteria. So what's the likelihood tables criteria going to be, what's the consequences, what are the consequences criteria are going to be, and that takes some time, not a lot of time, but some time, and that is absolutely silly, because none of this is real. Risk management is not about having a single standalone framework document with one single methodology. I mean, that is just nonsense. If risk management 2 is about integrating into different types of decisions, then you would have multiple risk criteria, multiple methodologies. For procurement, you would have something completely different than you would have for investment projects, than you would have for budgeting or strategic planning, than you would have for production maintenance, than you would have for marketing and price determination. Each one of those processes will have its own risk criteria. So basically, since you can't really get rid of risk management framework, because once a year an auditor will come and ask you for, or S&P or Moody's or Fitch, or a bank or an insurance company will come and ask you for that stupid useless document, now you still have to have that. So if that is basically irrelevant, because you will have a good, proper risk methodology in each of those different processes, it actually doesn't matter what you put in it. And if somebody in the business wants to put something else, just do it. Who cares? It's not a real document. None of the things in Risk Management 1 are real. This is all a facade. It's all a fairy tale. So just put absolutely anything. It doesn't matter. Don't waste time. Do it in a day. Do the framework in a day. I mean, I can't remember if I translated it or not, but at least in the Russian version of the Risk Academy website, I have the template. Just use it. You change the names and you've got the framework. It's that easy. Nobody cares what you have in it. Nobody will read it except you and the auditors and some of the stakeholders anyway. So just put anything there and well done. You've just saved yourself a week in writing and 2 weeks in validating, getting feedback and processing through all this rubbish. Stop wasting time on Risk Management 1 type activities. They're not real. Save up all that time, save as much time as possible, and reprioritize your work to integrate into actual specific decisions. Choose your decisions carefully. I have videos on that topic as well, and well done. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Do write comments underneath this video if you disagree. I know you do, because you love your risk management framework document, but still do subscribe to the Risk Academy channel, because that way you can click unlike or dislike, whatever the button is, on every single one of my videos, on all 370.